What we're going to show you today how to do is how to remove this center portion here to access the ignition switch plugs from the back. The heated control panel will have to come out as well as the radio. First step is to remove this heater control panel. This can be done from the bottom here, just with your plastic tool. Slowly press in the ashtray, and from each corner, just pop out the panel. At that point, you just slowly pull outwards, and then you're going to go out and down at the same time. There's 4 plugs to be removed. Now we have access to the radio retaining parts here. There's 2 metal slots here with the Torx 20 in them. We're going to remove those screws. Once that's done, using your plastic tool, just pull downwards on the 2 metal tabs. This is going to allow the radio to slide outwards. Now you can leave the radio connected just by pulling it down here in the center console. Now we're going to remove the start-stop button. Using the Mercedes tool, there's a plastic retaining ring around the ignition switch. We're going to turn counterclockwise to remove the ring. Once I remove the ignition switch, you can just push on it and it'll come right back from where the radio was. Now you can disconnect your plugs and install your T-harness.